how important is measuring all corner weight on a circuit road car? Yeah, so what Terry's talking about there is what I touched on earlier about the practical corner weighting course that we sell, which is all about equalizing those corner weights on your car to make sure you don't have a whole lot of weight bias on one corner with respect to the other. So certainly in terms of track racing, it's very, very important. It's something that you really won't see any professional team or even any semi-professional team not doing corner weighting. It can have a pretty big influence on the balance of the car and things like locking and traction and stuff as well. So it's a really big thing in terms of circuit cars. In road cars, not so much. There's a fair bit more variability. You're not driving them as close to the edge of the performance envelope, so it's not as big a deal, but certainly in circuit cars, corner weighting, absolutely imperative. I'd really put it right up there with doing your wheel alignment in the first place. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.